Does your vehicle have a cracked windshield or chips that could potentially turn into cracks? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local windshield repair and replacement service, and we offer repair for any type of vehicle windshield. Don't spend a fortune on a new windshield until you talk to us. We may be able to fix that crack or chip without you having to replace the entire windshield. This could save you a lot of money. So contact us now for a free, no obligation quote on your windshield repair or replacement service.